What's going on, guys? My name's Harry Green and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be opening something which hasn't been opened on this channel before. Probably hasn't even been mentioned on this channel, but actually once. It's been mentioned once in one particular video. It was a vlog. But yeah, it's a Rubik's Cube. So what we're going to be doing is unboxing a Rubik's Cube. So let's go. It's up here. Here we go. Right. Let's open it, really. That's all I can say. Unboxing skills. Haven't got any scissors with me or anything, so it's just going to be pure getting around. Oh wait, I've done it. Yes. Okay. So here it is. It is. Yeah, there it is. Let's open it. Hey, here we go. Right, the Rubik's Cube that it is will be revealed in 3, 2, 1. Hey! Hey, here it is. Yeah. Ooh. Makes quite a lot of noise actually. Didn't expect. Yeah. So that is the Rubik's Cube. Actually, pretty cool. It's all right, really. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna just do some tricks with it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's really, it's what's the word? It's like, it's nice. It's like, it's smooth. I mean, it's a stickerless cube, 3x3 stickerless cube. And yeah, comment down below if you want more Rubik's Cube videos. I'll try and provide them for you guys. But yeah, it's been a short video, only 3 minutes or so. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.